People are about to make even more money. Less than 1 hour ago, we got some great news for everybody holding crypto. The first crypto company in the S&P 500 tomorrow. Right now, futures for tomorrow are up almost 10%. Once tomorrow comes in and the market opens, I'll tell you everything you need to know. Plus, we got a nice pump. I'm showing you extra pre-price right now. Then a nice liquidation sell-off. I was there, watching during the SEC roundtable. I had to relax. I went to eat and do everything with nice sell-off. As you can tell, most different crypto, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, everything. Now we're coming back up. Could that have impacted crypto, right? Well, here it is. Coinbase just became the first and only crypto company to join the S&P 500. That is Brian Armstrong, the CEO. And everybody's saying, let's go. Even Michael Saylor, he's like, congrats on Coin being added to the S&P 500, a major milestone for Coinbase and for Bitcoin. Obviously, strategy buying $1.34 billion. Why not, right? Which is pretty cool. Shout out to them. They're buying more. And here it is. So it's pretty official, and this is what it looks like. Look at where it closed, and look at tomorrow. No, guys. Plus, we got some positions. I want to show you what I'm cooking. Smash the like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel right now, and let us know in the comments down below if you're bullish, man. Because earlier today, during the live, and right now, crypto is the place to be. Crypto is the place to be, and I got a position on SUI. 394. We're cooking, baby. And if you're looking into positions, if you're looking into also cooking with us, and what I mean with that is not only buying spot, because everybody can do that, and that's fine. If you're learning, I think that's the way to go. But if you really want to make some ridiculous amount of money and learn how to do this, you got to start trading, baby. And that's why I recommend, if you don't want to start learning, click the first link down below, guys. Sign up on BTCC and start. There's my code. It takes a few seconds. I'll tell you more, but point is that you come to demo trading and everything opens up. Do as you please. Try whatever. Buy whatever. Learn. Take as long as you need, because it's not your money and you won't lose anything, right? So I like this strategy because it allows you to start looking at leverage and a bunch of things. And I think it really helps, right? So I'll tell you more. But first, what I think is really, really important is that Brian Armstrong is he was at the Crypto Summit. He is in constant communication with the Crypto Czar, with the Crypto Council and more of the United States. I think it's a great win. I think out of all the companies, you have Robinhood, you have Coinbase, Strategy, right, and many others. Crypto.com, by the way, is opening a new office in Washington, which makes sense. They know Trump, so kind of like goes hand in hand. But this is good, man. This was just yesterday, as the saying goes. First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, they fight you, and now they add you to the S&P 500 or something like that. Why? Because you're making money. Because Coinbase is making a lot of money. And well, why not add them to the S&P? But that's super good because it's basically telling everybody that it's not going to be the only one. Once you add one, anything happens, right? What will be the next one? Strategy and other ones. This is huge for crypto. And tomorrow, right? Just check this out. At 206, boom, to 224. What that means is that major investors are going to be turning into Coinbase. And they'll be like, which is going to be the next crypto company who could be added to the S&P 500? Because if that's the case, look at this. Days after Bitcoin soared past 100,000. So I think a lot of people Coinbase Global should be in your portfolio. Coinbase, I don't really buy stocks per se, guys, but if you're looking at the S&P 500, if you are buying the S&P 500, now you're going to have a piece of a crypto company. Isn't that cool? I like it, man. This is good. And in my humble opinion, guys, I think it just makes sense, right? When you're looking into being bullish, having crypto, like right here with XRP, right? We've been talking about it a lot. How 265 went all the way down here on BTCC to 242 and now back to 254. So if you are in the habit of trading, guys, all the short and opening longs, right? Makes sense a lot. I think this is what a lot of people want to do because it helps, right? Like, for example, on demo trading, what I like to do is open positions, hold positions, and see what I can actually be good at and see which ones I really have been doing phenomenal over the last couple of months. And I have this one at 3,800% with 70,000. I have one at 3,200% at 600,000. This is an XRP. This is a Bitcoin position, right? All of these positions, you could have opened them, right? Months ago. This is the opening price, 183 for XRP, $77,000 for Bitcoin. So obviously, I was here when that was the case. Close to $30,000 cheaper, guys. Isn't that cool? I'm going to show you this one. How about, where is Solana? 144. 144. That was Solana. So this is all the money that you can start using for learning, right? And once you feel ready, you come back to live trading and boom, you attack and you finally know kind of like what's ahead for you, right? And I think this is good. Tomorrow should be a nice day. And, coming to CoinMarketCap right here. What are the big ones right now? Meme coins and Jasmine and XRPs right there. Look at that. Even still here in the top gainers, right? So I think a lot of people are, if we go to the gainers right here, there's mostly meme coins, right? Because memes are the ones that are running the most. But even though we have some retracements, and I'm going to show you Watch Guru right now, because they posted a bunch of liquidations. Let me show you here. Where is it? I saw it here 4 hours ago. $215 million liquidated. Why? Because 4 hours ago, we got some red candles, major red candles. Now, red candles are always going to come, and it's okay. I mean, nobody likes them, right? But that's where you want to get in, especially in those trading positions where you're like, oh, I do want to make a lot of money, but I don't know where. If you start buying those green candles, it's risky, guys. Why? Well, because that's when typically people like to sell, right? Just to give you an example right here. Sui went all the way to $4 just today and all the way down to $3.81. So 20 cents down, and it's a chance for people to start selling, right? And resetting the clock, and that's just the way it is. So I'm happy to say that BTCC, you'll have lower trading fees, a bunch of different bonuses, right? And there's big news coming our way. They're already talking to me. I'm going to have a landing page. I'm going to give you even more like goodness and info, how to do things, tutorials. So stay tuned and obviously sign up before, the prices start ramping up again, guys. So really happy to see the big whales being very, very bullish. Earlier today, we saw asset managers like BlackRock, Fidelity, and, Franklin, and many of them talk at the SEC, right, for the crypto task force. And that was nice, to listen, to see, okay, what are they talking about? Good stuff. Nice. But in the end, guys, I'll say I'm holding the line. I'm not, shaking, and I'm just taking the opportunities as they come. This is good. And I think will be a good day, see how the market reacts. There's going to be a lot of headlines on Coinbase tomorrow, right? So I am going to be very optimistic that we could have some people going from crypto to stocks just to buy the crypto stock, which is Coinbase, right? So it'll be cool, and I want to make sure that you guys are aware. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments down below how you guys are feeling, but it's a good day for crypto, and I think everybody's seeing it. As always, markets are risky, not financial advice, but scare money don't make money, right? And if you really don't want to be, in any risky position, then spot trading, right? Buy and hold. That's where most of our positions are. Buy and hold. Don't worry about it. Obviously, I don't have 100% of my money in trading. That'll be lunacy. So out of all your money, right? 1%, 2% in trading. The rest, just hold it, baby. Long term, and you can go to sleep at peace. Peace.